Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura EA espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having issues with the flow. Sometimes it will give a little bit of water, sometimes it will give the full cup, sometimes it will not just do anything at all. And that was because the brute unit was needed to be serviced. We deep cleaned everything inside, replaced the O-rings, replaced the gaskets of it as well, deep cleaned everything. We deep cleaned the spouts as well, run a bunch of cleaning cycles through the machine, descale the machine, and just give a good service. So starting with the espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Then we're gonna do a couple of espresso shots to test the volume of the machine as well. Right now it's set up at 1.5 ounces, so we should be seeing 1.5 ounces right here. And there it goes, 1.5 ounces. We'll do that again with a lot of shots. Let me get a container so I can drop the coffee there. Okay, perfect. I got my container. Let me drop my coffee here. And let's do that again. Again, 1.5 ounces we should be seeing right here at this with this cup. For infusion. And again, 1.5 ounces as well. We'll do that once more. We've already been testing this machine a lot, so we already did a lot of coffee through this side as well as through the other side of the spouts. And with the cleaning cycles, we were cleaning both this spout as well as this one. And again, 1.5 ounces. Working perfectly fine. Steam as well, we're gonna be testing that out. We do not have the hose to siphon the water through. We're gonna still be able to see steam coming out to this one, as you can see right here. And there you have it. Looks working very well. Excellent temperature as well. I'm gonna stop it as we do not have the hose to siphon the water through. We're gonna test the hot water now as well. We're gonna shoot a little bit of pressurized water first because we had the thermostat very hot. But once it cools down, we're gonna see a nice steady stream coming out of the machine, as you can see right now. And nice steady stream, excellent temperature, working really well. And there you have it, Jura EA working once again and not having issues with the quantity of the flow of the quantity of coffee that you get dispensed. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.